Hey guys, I wanted to show you guys the Pinetab today. Comes in a nice little box here. That's really nice. Feels good in the hands. It's got like a textured back on it. It's a nice size tablet. It's got a keyboard. And that's pretty sweet. And apparently this keyboard is magnetic, so you can plug it right up like that. Oh, that's cool. So this is the Pinetab from Pine64. Keyboard actually feels really nice. We're going to give that a look as well. See how the software performance is. It looks like it has a USB charger, and that looks like a headphone jack maybe. Micro USB, SD card. This thing's really nice. It's actually got a little bit of weight to it, but not too much, and it's pretty thin too. Let's check out the software. Quick start guide. Ubuntu Touch. Comes with Ubuntu Touch, it says. It's really nice. I really like it. So far, we'll see how the software is. So the Pinetab itself has this nice little case when you get the keyboard, and you might think you got to lean it up against something, but you actually don't. What's neat is you can just fold this over here and it stands up like that, so that's pretty cool. I'll unlock my screen. Oops. Everything handles really nicely so far. As mentioned, I'm using Flash. This is actually Mobian. I also want to try Black Arch later. I really want to use this touch screen for software-defined radio. I think it's going to make an excellent screen. Let's take a look at a random video. Let's just watch the one that's up here. See how it plays back, see if it skips. It's on full screen. Haven't really seen any issues yet. So I'm still getting used to this whole touch screen plus mouse plus keyboard thing. So you might see me mess around and try and swipe up on the mouse, which doesn't work. It's not like stuttering or anything, so that's good. That means videos are watchable. That was a big concern of mine. I know, the screen is bigger. I think it's still the same resolution though. So let's exit out of there. Let's take a look at the resource usage. Processor is using now this is definitely usable. I was a little concerned, and to be honest, it actually exceeded my expectations. I was afraid, based on some of the things I had read, that some of the software might have been a little young, but it seems to be pretty close with the Pinephone itself, and actually I think it handles just as well, at least as well as the Pinephone. Let's take a look at the heat. We got 41 degrees Celsius. For storage, we got about 61.2 gigabytes. I really love this backlit keyboard. It actually feels really great. The keys press really nicely. I've had some where, the keys weren't very solid, a little soft. This one's really solid. And I can really see myself working on it. So I wanted to just show you guys the Pinetab. I haven't seen many videos on it, and it's actually something I can see myself doing. A lot of the Python scripts I work on and some of the, other things I work on, I can really see myself playing with this. And I also do artwork, so I am interested in trying my graphics tablet, because I know Krita works on the Pinephone and it runs and is very usable. So I was thinking I might try putting it here on the Pinetab. It's got a bigger screen. I could do some of my illustration work right here on the Pinetab, and we'll see if I can get that up and running, and I'll definitely do a video on that. And like I said, I'm going to be doing some software-defined radio stuff. I'm actually going to be working a lot on this, and I'm hoping maybe, definitely be doing more videos on the Pinetab, for sure. A lot of the stuff that's for Pinephone is for the same process on the Pinetab, and likewise. So if it's something I do showing on the Pinetab, it'll also work right on the Pinephone for that same operating system. So that's a really cool thing about it, and this is going to be a lot easier to see on my videos. I look forward to doing a lot of videos with this. I wanted to just show you guys what it looked like. It's really nice. It's got this nice little magnetic keyboard here, so you don't have to, worry about it. Everything is working right now pretty flawlessly. It's really, exceeded my expectations, like I said. So I'm really enjoying it so far. Just, started playing around with it, and it's going to be great for videos showing, a much bigger screen. So I'll be back later with more videos, guys. Like the video, subscribe with the bell icon, and share this video. And I'll be back later with more on the Pinetab and the Pinephone.